So here we are at the Smith house. So we've had a little bit of water over the last couple of days, and the rain is still falling. Thought we'd come check out our new water feature. And here we are checking out the creek. We live next to Struve Creek, which is now at our fence line. If you can see the white water right there. And our driveway's a little soaked. Let's go see what's going on in the front yard. Which is now underwater almost completely. And thankfully our barn is up high and the creek is down low, but I'm going to walk down here and check out our new fancy water slide.